you back in December. I was feeling under the weather. You tried to make it all better, but now all we do is play telephone.
Morning guys, happy Vlogmas day 12. My hair is looking a little crazy because I had to blow it out this morning. I slept on it wet after I showered last night. I was so tired I couldn't blow it out last night, so I blew it out this morning, but we got a little bit of a puff going on. I've been waking up so early, which is honestly good because I get so much done. I wanted to show you guys my outfit. I'm wearing Jake's Balenciaga hoodie and then these pants I want to show you. These pants are from Addicted and they're so cute. They're just a little short. How cute are the bows on the side? The stripes that tie into bows. I got them in a size medium because I wanted them to be oversized, and honestly, they're fitting like a small. I might exchange them for a large because they're just not long, and I'm wearing them with my flattest sneakers because they look the best. But when I wear them with my like higher up sneakers, they look kind of like high waters. So as you saw, I have my 12 drinks. I think I might go get a smoothie for breakfast to help my stomach because the cramps are really killing me. Let's change the little nights till Christmas while we're here. 18 nights. Ooh, oh, so cute. The house is clean and I'm ready to get into the workday. Let's go. I also wanted to mention that I tried a new flavor of the Element today. This is the grapefruit. And when I opened up the little packet, I was like, oh, this smells really good. I think I'm gonna like it. But then it kind of tastes like Emergency. So I'm gonna chug it for the benefits, but not my favorite flavor at all. It's giving like I'm sick, I'm drinking Emergency. I just got in the car because I'm running to pick up a smoothie like 2 minutes away. I'm starving, so I need to get this and hopefully like makes my stomach feel better. I'll show you the smoothie when I get it. Look at this. It's literally the most perfect green color. The camera's not even picking it up. I went to Royalty and I waited to take a taste test in the car. I am so excited. Okay, the lighting is insane, but we're gonna do a taste test on camera. Something about this combination is just insane. I'll have to look at the menu to see what's in it, but it's like spinach, dates, normally almond butter, I subbed peanut butter, kale, mint, banana. I don't know, it's so good. It's bringing me back to life. These. Hey guys, I've just been working and I'm taking a break to have a cheese stick. I want an actual meal, but nothing sounds good and I don't know what I would make. I'm gonna get back to work, but figured I'd tell you what I'm doing. Took my computer outside because it is actually stunning out and I'm just gonna be answering emails and working on a campaign from here. No calls right now, so this is perfect. I'm obsessed with the weather right now. I just had to take a little bite of your PB&J because I'm starving. Hey, do you know where the mic is on this thing? Me either. I forgot I had laundry in, so I just put half of it in the dryer. And then this is all gonna go outside to air dry. Time to put all of this away. Ugh. Mission accomplished. Time to put all this away. That stuff needs to be hung up and I am winded. I have a Poppy in the fridge, but I'm kind of saving that until later in the day for my energy. So I'm just gonna have a polar seltzer. We're obsessed with seltzer in this house. Oh. Hey guys. I feel like I've been like productive and had a good day, but I'm telling you I just don't feel good at all. My period just wipes me out the first like 2 days. Hopefully tomorrow I feel good. But I literally just feel so run down and like sick. My whole body hurts, my back hurts, my stomach hurts, my head hurts, my neck hurts. And like I sound so annoying complaining, but I don't know why it's so bad. And I try to like get a nice smoothie and take magnesium. And I just feel like so exhausted and run down. But I'm gonna do some self-care for the rest of the night just to take care of me so I just feel my best. I just wanted to be honest about how I'm feeling because not every day is perfect. I just feel overstimulated and like hot and cold and everything is just stressing me out right now. I still have like more work to do later because I have some releases tonight, so I have to do some stuff for that. And I've also been waiting on someone to get back to me, which should have been earlier, but hopefully by like 8 we could have that situated. So I have those 2 things outstanding, but otherwise I'm gonna take some time for myself right now and breathe, relax, and I'm gonna make homemade chocolate chip cookies. This is all of my baking stuff up here. How satisfying is that? I don't know if I'm gonna do cookies or cookie bars. I think cookie bars will be easier, so we will see. I just got everything out to make the cookies. I have the sugar and brown sugar in here, and then I have everything else pretty much all measured out and ready to go. I'm just following this recipe I found online, so let's get it. I also just got out this 9x13 and I'm going to cover it with parchment, and then we'll put the cookies in here. So I just have the butter sugar, brown sugar in here, and I'm going to use this hand mixer that my mom actually just sent me, so perfect timing. Thank you, Mom. Love you. At home we normally use a KitchenAid, but don't have that here, so let's see how the hand mixer does. I'm laughing so hard because legit all of the butter is stuck in here, but I think once I add the eggs and stuff, hopefully it gets unstuck. Okay, so all of the wet is mixed together, and now I'm gonna start adding the dry. I just did a hack because I don't have baking powder, I just have baking soda. So I just added a little bit of vinegar and then a little extra baking soda. This is looking so good. I just added the oatmeal and the rest of the flour, and now adding the chocolate chips, and then in the oven they will go. Okay, the hardest part is now having to smush all this down. Best part. It tastes bomb. I think these are actually gonna be really good. Mom, I wish you were here to make them with me. Pretty big fail of me trying to flatten them down. Into the oven they go. Hopefully these turn out good. I just took them out. They honestly look golden brown. See, they're still pretty gooey, if you could even see that, but that's what I want. It's gonna cook a little more in the hot pan, but I like when they're like raw, yummy, gooey. I'm gonna go in the hot tub for a little bit with Jake. I wasn't gonna go in, but I'm like, honestly, the hot water on my back might feel good, so I just put my hair in a little clip. We're just gonna do a single meatball sub with leftovers. I'm gonna go get my baguette from Trader Joe's. Little olive oil, Graza olive oil, some salt. Oh, that just went everywhere. Pepper. I just cut a little piece of a lemon. I'm gonna squeeze it. The lemon really makes it. And then I'm gonna put this in the fridge because we're gonna go pick up food for Jake. And then I'm gonna make this when we're back. Logs, this is for you to taste test.
KB?
Yeah, I know, it's a little bit falling apart.
No, I'm not even in the shot. I'm just too tall, kid.
KB, when do you want to go?
Hey, guys.
No, do you want to try this stuff?
No. I'm gonna have it after. I'll have lunch after.
Oatmeal raisin.
With chocolate
Oatmeal
chips.
chocolate chip.
Oatmeal chocolate chip.
Just good stuff.
Too, a little gooey. Not bad though?
Pretty good.
Great.
I give it an 8.7.
Wow, it's pretty high. I give it like an 8. Oatmeal chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip, kid? Are you kidding me? Dude, it's the best thing ever. Kid, it's like the best thing ever since.
Jake. These are Jake's side sauces from his sandwich, and I get them for mine. Okay, good night. Happy Vlogmas Day 12.